If you own a device of some kind and you would want to know how to protect it or how to keep it for a long time, then this video is for you. I've got no bonuses, but then the video is super worth it, especially the last point, which is about security. So please stay to the end of the video if you want to grab every single point I give. And without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
Is it on?
Hello guys, I am Jehiel here and welcome to the channel where we deliver tech tips and we explain how everyday devices work. If you're interested in such content and you like to get information weekly or you like to get content like this every week, then consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the notification bell icon so that when I release videos, you'll be notified. I mostly release videos on Fridays. Well, we are getting into the content and then I would not like to waste any time about it. First of all, you have to get a screen protector or a case. This is very important for your screens because your screens are really fragile. If your screens are fragile and then they are very expensive nowadays, so you like to get a solid screen protector and you like to attach that screen protector with a case. You can get rugged cases or you can get fancy cases, but then your case should be strong enough to protect the corners of your phone from cracks and falls. Next, we go into keeping your device clean. You have to make sure that your device is always clean, because if your device is dirty and things, it can worry you. In case you don't know, or even like naturally, if your device is dirty, it just doesn't look nice. So to preserve your device, you have to keep it clean, especially with your laptops. With your laptops, they collect dust over time, so you will need to clean your devices regularly. You need to clean inside the vents and then the fans and just around it, the keyboards and things, just to prevent problems. And also you have to be cleaning the charging ports of your phones, because people don't know this, but then sometimes these can be the reasons why your phone doesn't charge fast or your phone doesn't even charge at all, and you would think that it's a very crazy problem. It is just the dust or debris that gets collected inside your charging ports, so you have to fix that as well. Next, we move to avoiding external heat. That's the third point. You have to avoid external heat and extreme heat as well. The thing about this is that you don't know, it's very common, but then your devices are electronic. Your devices contain electronic components. Your devices contain electronic components, and these kind of components don't really do well with heat. And some of your devices are good conductors of heat. And when you keep your devices in the sun for long, or even not in the sun, in your room, if your room isn't hot, if your room isn't cool enough to keep your devices, you just expose them to heat. When these heat gets exposed, when your devices get exposed to the heat, it destroys the components, or it destroys the electronic components in your device. So avoid exposing your device to extreme and external heat. Next, we move on to overcharging your devices. This is actually not, it doesn't really hold water nowadays, because devices that are now coming in, or recent devices or modern devices, have technologies or have measures put in place to cut power from the charger, or to cut external power when your phone is at 100%. So when your phone is at 100%, it automatically stops charging, but then you still shouldn't keep your chargers in the phone after it finishes charging. When you are done charging, just make sure that when your phone is full, you remove the charger from it and then you just keep it. It's not even only that, but then when you leave your sockets and things on, you are just wasting electricity. So when you are done charging your phone, remove it, don't overcharge it. It is advised to keep your phone at 80% and don't let it drain below 20%, because your phone has a charging cycle to follow, and when you keep on charging it and overcharging it, the charging cycle elapses early, and then your battery begins to weaken, and your battery health also decreases. So don't overcharge. At least 80 to 90% is enough, and don't drain your battery before you recharge it. Then the last tip, which is really worth it, is your security. You have to update your softwares, and you have to update your computer's firmware, or your computer's operating system or your phone's operating system, not even your phone or your laptop alone. If you have a camera, or even if you have a tablet, any kind of device which runs on a software, you have to try to update it. The reason for this is that software developers or the device manufacturers know very well that over time, hackers or bad people in the internet and things manage to breach their security, or they manage to find some flaws in their security. When these flaws are found, they can be exploited and they can get you. So what your manufacturers do is that they release occasional updates. They to be able to protect your device and things. They are called patches. So when the hacker finds a breach in their software or a breach in their system, they have to release patches to be able to deal with those breaches. So these are 5 tips that you should know. And if you've reached this part of the video and it's of value to you, or you have gotten value from this video, then please comment. If you've gotten value from the video, just like. If you haven't subscribed to this point, please do it. It was a pleasure delivering this content to you. I want to hear your thoughts on this opinion, and if you also have any tips that you would want to share, please do that in the comment section. Do your bickering and things in the comment section. I would also want some tips on how to grow, or just any criticism at all. I am ready for it. So like and share, and if you have still not subscribed, please do so. We've reached the end of the video, and I hope this was helpful to you. You are welcome. I am Jehiel, and till we meet again, bye.